Hello.
Okay na? Ha? Hi! I'm cleaning my car.
Hi.
Many time mo. Pupo. Pupo of the birds.
Bird.
Yes. Labas ka din doon ka din, pakita mo din yung sasakyan mo Baka
Ayaw,
sabihin sasakyan mo,
Ima?
hindi ko to sasakyan.
There is my car.
This is Mommy's car.
Yes. You want to join us, baby girl?
Yes.
Oh no.
Are you okay now?
Ha?
Are you okay now?
No, you video until 5 minutes. You like that. You go out, mommy. Yes, baby! Oh no, I cannot reach there. You're so very, very fast naman, Gus. Hindi ko ma-reach. Hindi ko kasi pala ko sa harap Ay! Mami, doon ka sa harap,
Hi, baby.
There's a video. There. You close that, you go out.
Remove the slippers there.
Yeah.
See, I told you. Oh, do not step on the wet.
Yeah.
Ay, no more. Remove your slippers now.
Pwede po. Abot na sa gitna. Sa gitna.
Yeah.
Ouch!
Yeah.
Ouch! Shit! Ouch. You know why it hurts? Because the cold is so cold.
Ouch.
Mami, sira tong wiper ko.
Yeah.
Sa likod. And after this, we're going to clean also the car.
Apura yun lah.
Ano yan? Panibagong video ulit?
Hindi, ito pa rin.
Okay.
Car washer.
Yes! Alam! Do I look a car washer?
Yes, you are washing the car that you are. That's why you are a car washer.
No. Bagay ko ba?
Of course.
Oh my God.
Yan ang sideline niya.
Sideline ko, maglinis ng aking sariling sasakyan.
In-emphasize pa talaga.
Ha?
In-emphasize pa talaga.
Siyempre.
My own.
This is my own. This is mine. Siguro. Oo.
Ay, naku, wet now, baby. See, your clothes is wet now.
Ay, nako, bebe. You get that one. You clean na lang. Slowly,
No, that's wet. Don't touch it.
Patingin. Stop mo sa gitna.